Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have somebody get in the vehicle and kind of rev it up a little. Let me get my visual first. Go ahead. Hit it real good. Hit it hard. Yeah, like that. All right, we're good. Well, she's officially done. Everything's complete with the oil filter relocation kit. Hot idle, right at about 32 PSI, hot idle. Wide open throttle, about 84 PSI. And I just put the Kendall GT1 liquid, or GT1 Max liquid titanium in here. So we're gonna run that, see what we get. You're gonna have to wait for the full video later. I figured I'd give you a sneak peek and tease you just a little bit, you Panther platform fanatics. Look at that old girl. You haven't seen that box in a while. She's open. She's open for business. She's been doing business, and guess what? So is this one here too. Ooh. And guess what else I got in? Give you another little teaser. Ooh. And guess what else? Got some Shell Hilux and some Parts Master full synthetic Dexos approved, and some Panther Performance 5W30. Man, Rich, you got all kinds of stuff to share with us. Just not right now. Maybe later. I'll get the install video out to you tonight. Maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see how long it takes. It was this install video was kind of stressful because there's an important message that comes along with this install video where I made something that was a disaster work because I got duped, and it wasn't by the company that sells it. And I'll tell you more when the video loads later. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Be kind.